This is the Witness Blanket in virtual reality. The original is made of objects gathered from residential schools, churches, government buildings, and cultural structures. Each one is a witness. Each has a story. In VR, sound is part of the experience, and we realize that audio provides an opportunity to explore the blanket in a new way. If each of these objects had a voice, what would they sound like? What language would they speak? What songs would they sing? In the same way that we gathered the objects themselves, we are collecting sounds of the very cultures that were targeted by residential schools. A drumbeat, the jingling of a jingle dress, the scraping of hide, traditional languages, traditional music. Voices, young and old. We invite you to record and contribute a sound that represents what culture means to you, so that we can weave them together into music like no other. A soundtrack of resilience.